Hi viewers, in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important process of HR department takes place in every organization. So here in this video, I'm going to talk about on what basis every company selects the employee. So one of the important operative functions of every HR department is recruitment and selection. So once they call for the candidates for the various designations and positions in the company, right? Selecting the candidate is based on the different levels according to the position. In that, there are different types of selection tests are takes place in every companies. There are two types of selection tests also. One is to check the ability of the candidate. The second one is to know about the personality of the candidate. Under the ability test, we have aptitude test, achievement test, intelligence test, judgment test. Personality test, we have interest test, personality inventory test, attitude, all these things. We'll discuss one by one now. When you talk about aptitude test, right? It is not right. All the companies will follow this. It's all depend upon to measure the right quantitative aptitude ability of the candidates. So under that aptitude test, there are various categories of tests are there according to the position. First one is intelligence test. This is a test where they can able to test the candidates, right, a comprehensive ability, like how they are able to speak, how they are able to pronounce a word, how they are able to fluent in this language, right, how they are using this particular terminology, all this thing. When you are focusing on the skill-based designation of position in certain companies, especially the top automobiles or some kind of a mechanisms or they are followed, right? They'll be using a mechanical test, right, for a kind of a position like apprentice, trainer, all these things. This is to know about how is your skills with regard to the technical aspects, especially the mechanical things. Third important test comes to the aptitude is psychometric test, where they are able to measure your abilities to work with the device, to work with the equipment. We are able, whether you have the uh, understanding level of working with the particular thing, how you think about this, how you are able to react, all this thing. And if you're focusing on the administrative level, they'll be having a clerical test to know about right all your spelling, comprehensive copying, typing, all those things. This is all the different types of tests comes from the aptitude test. Second important test called achievement test to know about right your proficiencies in your job profile. Right. The first one is a job knowledge test. They'll ask you to know about whether you have a basic knowledge of the particular designation of the particular job. Right. For example, see if you are appointed as a junior lecturer, right, or lecturer, when you go to the next level, being employed to a manager supervisor, whether you have the knowledge of right, what is the supervisor's job, what is his responsibility, all these things. Work sample test is a particular portion of his work will be given to you, and they will ask the candidate to just work with that, and they will see that how he is able to work with that, whether he has the knowledge, whether he is able to work with that particular device, what he has given the portion, and whether he is able to manage all these things. This is about the work sample test, like a demo class. Third one is situational test. Right. Now it's all depend upon the number of candidates and also for what positions you are applying. Basically, group discussion which will happen in every companies to know about how you are able to cope up with the team, right? Team members. So this is the one of the tests we'll be considering under the situational test, where you will be asked to work in a group. They'll ask you to discuss on certain things. So some topic will be given, and they'll ask you to discuss on those topics with your team members, whether you are able to coordinate with the team member, whether you are facilitating them, whether you are initiating all the things they'll measure through the group discussions, especially when you are working with the groups. In baskets, where candidates are able to take a decisions on the particular items or particular activities when the task is given to you with the support of the higher official. Third one is assessment center. This is for the growth and development, holistic growth and development of the candidate, whether they are have their potential to do this work. Right. It is not like I cannot give a particular job to the same employees for many periods. So whether he has the potential to do that to the next level, this is called assessment center. Like keep on changing your position, designations, additional responsibility. Fourth one is a judgmental test. This is like called as a situation judgment test. So asking about the opinion about the candidate, how we work in the situation, how he is able to work with the team, all this kind. So this is basically it's like an internal kind of evaluations will be followed in the company. Fifth one is interest test to know about whether the candidate is showing an interest or disinterest about the particular job or the particular designation, particular company, particular place, all these things. This is very rare, but they will use to check to know about the particular quality of the employees, right? To know about whether he is really interested in this particular field, especially the service related kind of positions job. Sixth one is projective test. This is purely of the personality test of the employees to know about how he feels about this particular thing. Because whenever some task or any work is given to him, how is his feeling towards the job? Whether he is thinking something positive or something like negative, or in what way he is thinking. This is about the projective test. Right. Seventh one is personality test. Especially this is to focus on your confident, your attributes like your characters, attitude, behavior, all these things. Right. Here there are two types of tests are there. One type of test is called objective test. Whether this particular personality or the candidate with this personality is suitable for this group, will be suitable for this organization, will be suitable for this department. And the eighth one is attitude test, which is purely to know about your beliefs, your behavior, and your skills, your strength and weakness, your knowledge, all these things. Right. So this is about the attitude test. Right. Hope this video helpful for to know about different types of selective tests followed in the company. Right. In the next video, we'll discuss about the another important topic in the human resource management. Thank you.